How to use Printify with Shopify. Okay, so this video will be for you if you're looking to do print-on-demand businesses with Shopify. And Printify is a perfect website service that enables you to do print-on-demand businesses because they have a very good service. And well, the difference between them and other print-on-demand uh, providers is that you can source your T-shirt or your mediums from suppliers. So you can choose the suppliers, and they have a lot to choose from. So let's get started. First of all, just open your Shopify and Printify over here with printify.com. And I'm just starting over here, so let's just sign up and let's click start for free here, and I'm going to log in with my Google account if that is available. Let's see. Let's wait for a second. We should be connected. And okay, so let's log in with Google. I'm going to use the account that I use specifically for tutorials. Let's confirm, and we should be logged into Printify in no time. And well, I think this is the best feature of all. Printify has actually offered a free service. So you do have a free plan available, not just a trial. So you can pay as you scale your business. But to start out, Printify has a more than accommodating free plan. So let's just choose the prompts and what describes us the best here. So I have my own e-commerce store, as you can see. As you know, we will connect Printify to our online store, which is on Shopify. And my main objective will be start my first online business, a print on demand business. I would like to help with choosing products to sell. On Printify, I found from YouTube, honestly. All right, so let's start creating. But first, we need to connect Shopify to our Printify account. Okay, so the first step will be to connect our Shopify store. And to do that, just click My New Store on top over here and click Add a New Store. And we will connect our Shopify store. So just click the Shopify icon over here. All right, so let's enter our store URL. So to do that, just go to your Shopify dashboard, go to settings, and your store URL will be this one over here, just under your store name. And in settings, copy it and paste it, bam, and we should be good to go. So let's wait. All right, so it will take us to the Shopify admin, and it will ask us to authorize and install the Printify app. Let's just go ahead and do that. Click install, wait for a moment, and you should be good to go. Okay, so let's log in to Printify from our Shopify admin. Well, you can also install the app first from Shopify, but what's the point, right? I'll just open Printify first and log in and create a Printify account first before we will be taken to Shopify admin. All right, so now we have Printify logged in and synced to our Shopify store. As you can see, the my store now is Asikars, which is my Shopify store name. Let's open full site here because we will be taking a look at adding our first product from Printify to Shopify. But before we add products, just be sure to add a payment information to your Shopify first, because only then you will be able to sell products to Shopify. All right, so let's start for free. We want to okay, in this tutorial I'll just let's just create a simple t-shirt from, and let's create a graphic tee, right? Okay, so this is what I'm talking about when I say we have a lot of we have a lot of suppliers for the uh, t-shirts or the other garments that we can choose from. As you can see, this is the Kids Heavy Cotton Tee. This is the bestseller. This is from Gildan. Gildan is, very famous. It's a very famous t-shirt provider. Let's just click this and start selling. All right, so this Gildan t-shirt, we will uh, create the provider. Now, ideally, you want USA providers if you're from the USA, or just like find the uh, find the providers that are closest to your location, right? Because that way you can ship to local orders much faster. Okay, so let's say you're from the US, so let's just use this US provider. The prices from USD 10.22. They have lower prices if you have Printify Premium, but I believe if we sell like this T-shirt for 20 bucks at least, I think we can have a sizable margin to live with. So, uh, okay, but you have to also see the shipping cost and also the average production time, also the print areas and the sizes, because this will be different across different providers. As you can see, the average product time here is less than 1 day for this provider. They have 10 colors to choose from instead of the 7 colors of this provider. This all just comes down to your preference. Which one, like which factor do you most consider in a t-shirt? If you want speed, then of course choose the provider that has the shortest production time. But as you can see, SwiftPod here has 20 colors to choose from, which may be useful if you're looking to find like cool colors that are not easily available over here. Now I think I want this very cool mustard color here, the gold color. So I'll just pick this provider. They also have bulk discount over here if you see. So that's better because if you want to buy the products in bulk, you can save some money. So let's start designing from this provider, and let's just explore by myself. Okay, so in this editor, we have three areas that we can edit: the front side, the back side, and the neck lab inner. The neck lab inner, this will just be your branding. You can add your logo over here, but you get the idea, right? On the left, you have your upload image, AI image, add text, library, graphics, templates. This is just the elements that you can add to the design. Let's say, for example, you want to upload your design to this t-shirt. Just go to upload and click my device over here. But in this tutorial, I'm just gonna add an AI image to add to add to the t-shirt. So let's just apply prompt, and let's choose the AI. Let's choose one of the generated images. You can resize the images, you can move the images around. Pretty standard stuff. I'm just going to make this like a logo on the chest. I think this looks neat. On the front side, nothing on the back side, and I think the neck label inner can have text. Like you can add again. You can add your logo over here, or you can add text. I'm just going to pretend that I'm adding my branding over here. Sick cards. All right, so this is my brand as of now before I invest in a logo design. But yeah, this is your neck label, my backside and my front side. Okay, so once we're done editing, let's just click Save Product, and let's add the product to Shopify. So product is saved. Let's continue to publish. And no, we need to. Okay, so pop-up store by Printify is a store service by Printify, but we want to sell to Shopify, right? So let's connect another sales channel, which is our Shopify store. Okay, and let's add a product. Let's add the product. Wait, let's add our. Okay, so let's go back and go to our product, our My Products menu over here. As you can see, we want to sell our t-shirt to our Shopify store, right? But we just created our t-shirt in the My New Store on Printify over here. So what you can do is to just select this product, go to the burger bar on the right over here, and click Copy To, and copy to our Shopify store. So let's go to our Shopify store. If done, then what we want to do is to just publish uh, this design. So let's go ahead and click it and click ship economy, and let's publish this. uh, okay, so you can adjust the pricing, the the description, the title. You can change these settings on Shopify, but I just recommend you to sync it all across these two platforms. So if you can edit it over in Printify, why not do it here, right? So the pricing here, you can change the pricing. I'm just going to leave it for this tutorial, but as you can see, uh, ideally you want like 50% profit, right? So I'll just change everything to 20 bucks, I think, or 19.99 or 19.50. I think it's good. Yeah, I think 19.50. Okay, that's the amount that I would like. Okay, so once you're done doing the pricing and the SKU, let's move this listing over to Shopify. So let's click publish on the bottom right over here. Let's wait for a moment and wait. Okay, so if you can order your sample if you want, but I'll just opt out for now. There you go. Let's check our product if it's already published. All right, it's uploading images. So let's see what happens in our Shopify store. So let's go back to our Shopify admin page and click products. And we should be able to see our products here very easily. Now, this is what I meant when I say you can change the description, because you can change the title, the description, and also the prices here on Shopify. But again, why not sync it across the two platforms, right? Okay, so that is pretty much how uh, you can make an automatic print on demand business to with Printify, because the vendor is Printify here. If an order is placed by your visitor in Shopify on this product, it will be automatically provided to by Printify. Only if you have set up uh, the necessary settings here. See, in Printify, but that is another topic for another video. So that is all from me. Thank you very much. I hope you have a good luck.